Okay. Oh, yesterday was what? Black Thursday. Oh, yeah. Yesterday was a big retrogression in our march towards a better democracy. I can't believe it. The police were absolutely lawless. Lawless. I mean, what was the basis for the arrest? People you sought to prevent from demonstrating at the Jubilee House. If you could gather 500 policemen to come and cause arrest, why wouldn't you provide security for them to demonstrate there? You see, the main point is that, you see, once the police say, they claim they've taken the case to court, then it didn't lie within their mass to do a preemptive strike. No, the matter you are talking about is before the court. You say you filed an application for injunction. So there is also an obligation on the police not to do anything to render the proceedings a nullity. So that's why the remedy would have been that, look, if they flout the application for injunction, and in law, I subscribe in this case to the view that once you are served, you have to stop, right? That's the school I belong to. They call it ex parte mofat, and there are other cases that support it. There are other people in practice. When it's a big government project, like you see the E-levy one, they ignored it and went ahead. And we all know that usually the court will be slow to interfere. So when it's a big public matter, usually that principle doesn't appear to work in practice. But in this one, if there was evidence, you would say that it's likely a court would punish for contempt if you were served. So the police had to gather their evidence and then file an application for contempt, but not to arrest. That subsequent barefaced lie or wrong law that they are doing on lawful assembly is wrong. That unlawful assembly can't apply in this case. Could you why? Look at the Public Order Act. That was what both parties were using. And the procedure is instated there. You say they should amend their location, okay, the venue, etc. If they don't, the next thing under Section 1 of the Public Order Act, it says go to court. So if you've gone to court and somebody appears to be violating it, then you go and apply for contempt. So naturally, although there's also the other side of law and order. So if they were to do anything that was untoward, causing damage to property or begin to commit any offense, then that one you would arrest and say, look, you are damaging property, you are doing X, Y, Z. But this one, like they themselves admit, it's like they've just led themselves to the slaughter, preemptive strike. In which democracy, Kwame Nkrumah's Ghana, the police have goofed. They've goofed. You see how Ghanaians were just too quick to loud IGP Dampare, say, just because of our sin, North. One incident. You see the next time he's just retrogress our democracy. See how they beat Bridget Otu, Vanessa Boateng, and then lawyer Roxon. It is bad. Yesterday was just Black Thursday. So the police are wrong on the law. That preemptive strike doesn't apply here. It doesn't. If you want to arrest, the law says that unreasonable suspicion of what? Having committed an offense. Where is the reasonable suspicion? Where is the offense that they've committed? No. So the context of the court case nullifies everything the police sought to do yesterday. They were just acting lawlessly. Ghana Police Service was just lawless. IGP Dampare just lost it. It just showed that it's just, his initial showmanship. It was just a matter of time, and then he will show his colors that, look, he's working for corrupt Akufo-Addo. That's all that it was. Let me protect corrupt Akufo-Addo so that my position will also be protected. That's all that Dampare just sought to do. You think, no, when Ghanaians, I keep saying that when Dampare came, people were just shouting, hey, new sheriff in town, new sheriff. I said, I'll wait. I'll just wait. Now you see how the chips are falling.